Hey guys, Patrick here. I discovered something cool about drum maps that you probably didn't know because I couldn't find anything in the manual regarding a couple of the gotchas on it. So I am going to share those with you. So let's get started. So we'll open up an instance of Groove Agent SE since we all have that. Just pick any old preset, throw a pattern up here, blah, blah. Right. Basic drum groove. So you'll notice, now you can, another cool thing, you can either go here, drum editor, and open it up that way, or you can assign a shortcut key like I did. Alt-D is available. So that's a nice way to get into your drum editor without accidentally opening up the key editor. So anyway, so the drum maps are down here, and you can do, so one nice thing, let me show you, open up. Notice how everything to the right of snap is blank. So that is a function, this gets populated when you have a drum map. So to get a drum map, you can either create one by hand, or you can use this nice little feature, create drum map from instrument. You'll notice when I did that, you get all of these options. So the cool thing about that is, for one, it gives you a mute per instrument. If I want to mute the snare or the hi-hat, I can just click that, which is nice. One of the things that I couldn't find in the manual was why these are not editable. This stands for input note, this stands for output note. This is the MIDI channel it's on, and this is the instrument. So if you create a drum map via this method, the auto create drum map from instrument, you can only do that once. It is basically like a read-only thing. The only thing you can change here is the mute. So all of this stuff is, you can't change it. So what I discovered is if you go into drum map setup, you can see the one that was created for you. It's got the ins and outs. You still can't change them in here. But what you can do is highlight this, go to functions, go to new copy. Now you've got, and call this editable, whatever. Name it something else. Now you can go and instead of assigning that one, assign the copy one. Now all these fields are, you can actually do stuff. So what can you do? So a few cool things. One is if you use an external controller for like doing your drum grooves and stuff, a lot of times it's hard to do super fast stuff, you know, double kicks, double snare, fills. So what you can do, say you want to program some snares in here, you can take this one, let's see, rim shot. We'll just use this for an example. So I can take the input of E1 is my, so if I pull up my Groove Agent down here, So we can see rim shot. Where's a rim shot? Oh, go to instrument. So rim shot, that's this one, which corresponds to this pad. If I stop that playback and I put this input monitoring, you can see I hit, that's fine. If I'm not using another adjacent, I can't talk. If I'm not using one of these other adjacent notes from the controller, I can say move this rim shot to here. So you could copy it over, true. But another way to do it is take your rim shot here. Let's make this a little bigger. And E1 is playing E1. So I want input note E#1, which is that pad next to it, to also play E1. So now if I do this, I'm getting that, and clicking the next pad, I'm also getting that. So I can sit here and go a lot faster than a single click. So that's one useful use of the input notes, changing that. And output notes are nice if you have, say, you want to try out, instead of hitting a rim shot, you want to try out a tom or whatever, you can just take this output note and say the tom 2 is B1, plug that in there. So now it hits that tom instead of the actual where it was before. So that is cool. The most cool thing, though, is this track output and channel. So this refers to the MIDI channel. This is actually the output of your track. Do you want it to go to the track, which you usually do, but you can actually assign it to other devices. So where this gets really interesting, say I have a Hallion or something. Let's pick something that everybody has. Hallion Sonic SE. And say we've got a cool effect or something, electric shaver, cool, that's kind of neat. So say you want to access that through your same drum part, because a lot of times you want to line up your hits from another instrument right with the actual drum hits. So it would be helpful to be able to see those in the same editor. So what I do, you don't even need, so you've instantiated an instance of Hallion Sonic, either an instrument or instrument track or rack. We can open up our editor, go to the full window here. So say up here, I'm not using tom 3, so instead I want to route what's here to Hallion Sonic MIDI track 1. So there is a bug. Steinberg, take note. You saw that I just assigned that. Now if I assign it to anything else, oh, now I get what I assigned. So it's like a step back. So that is definitely not in the manual, and that's definitely a bug. So anyway, anything I put on this track now is going to go to my Hallian Sonic out track, MIDI channel 1. So I can take, say I want that electric shaver or whatever you want, let's see, to line up with these rim shots. So I can, this is right on the money there. And so I'm going to put, where did I put that? Oh, okay. So right here, I'll put one here. So we'll do another one here. So it's nice to be able to see them. If you don't want the little diamonds, you click this, and now you can actually adjust the wig like that. So if I play this, so you can do it all from within one editor, one part, and have other things related to your drum hits right in there. So this was a game changer for me. It keeps things nice and tidy, and I don't know, hopefully you can make use of that. And if you know of any other cool uses with it, leave me a comment and let me know. If there's something I missed, let me know as well. Have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.